there, and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers, and with us today, as always, Gary Bruce. Thanks for joining us again, Gary.
Great to be here. Thank you, Maureen.
Well, dog bites. No one wants to think about it, but every once in a while it may happen to you, unfortunately.
Right.
Are there any laws pertaining to that? I mean, what happens if someone else's dog bites you?
Well, there are laws pertaining to that. Surprise, surprise. Huh? But no, the old law used to be this. When am I responsible for what my dog does?
Yeah.
Right? If my dog bites you, am I responsible? In the old days, it could be fairly well summed up to say every dog gets one free bite, meaning we got to be on notice that this is a problem because we like dogs. We like having dogs in our lives, and it's part of our culture, so we say, yeah, we're going to, until we're on notice that this is a problem, we're not going to make it a liability situation. But what we've recognized is certain dogs are vicious, you know. They may not bite somebody, but we know we got to keep them chained up or beware of dog, or you know, they show signs of a dangerous propensity. And if they do, then that one bite rule is kind of out the window. And so it all comes down to like any case. Right. If I know or should know there's a problem and I expose you to it, then I'm going to have liability for it. It's really that simple in the end. Yeah. So the old law has eroded somewhat. The old one free bite has eroded. And now we have liability if we knew or should have known this dog was dangerous to others. Or could have been, we negligently supervised the dog in its interaction with other people or children. Right. Or we violate leash laws.
Yeah, I was going to say, you know, I've seen a lot of that on the Riverwalk too.
And that's an absolute strict liability situation there.
Well then, so who does get compensated if you're a victim of a dog bite? Who compensates me? Say I'm the victim.
Well, the dog is going to be a little hard pressed to pay. So we look to the
Can't
owner.
Get his wages.
We look to the owner because it's an owner control issue.
Yes.
As for the leash law deal, that's an owner violation that led to this problem. Right. But for being off the leash, it wouldn't have bitten. And if we know the dog has a problem, we put that on the owner. Yeah. So if you see a dangerous dog, report it. That way, there's no question about, yes, this was a dangerous dog, and there should be some owner responsibility for it.
And if you're the dog owner, you need to be responsible and know what your dog is like and the characteristics of it, right?
Absolutely. And you know, we all think our dog's fine around our family, but you know, we just got to be careful when around others.
Yeah, leash law is a good thing too. Helps.
Absolutely.
Helps a lot with that. So if you need more information too, you can contact Gary's office and they can help you there. So thanks so much for joining us today, Gary, on Legal Break, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next one.